CPUs, cores, threads. So most of the developers will have a common confusion in cloud because everything is a virtual machine, backend is a virtual machine, physically is a servers and cloud data center, right? So what exactly we will get in a compute point of view. So technically, if you talk about, consider you're having a laptop. So that laptop maybe it's a single core, so one CPU, single core CPU, or dual core CPU. Two cores will be there, core 1, core 2, or quad core, so 4 core CPU. Then each core you will get a 2 threads. Consider if you go with a 4 core, core 1, core 2, core 3, core 4. Each core you will get a 2 threads. 2 threads means you can run 2 processes. You can run 2 processes. Technically, you can run 2 tasks. So cloud, everything is a thread. We will call it as VCPU. Cloud, everything is a VCPU, virtual CPU. It's not a physical CPU. Virtual CPU means one CPU you can run one task, nothing but you can process any one task. That we will call it as thread or process or task. So a physical CPU can have n number of cores. Physical CPU can have n number of cores. You see this is a dual core CPU. It is having a 2 cores. Then each core is having a 2 threads, so total 4 threads. So means 4 tasks you can run or 4 processes you can run. So nothing but 4 VCPUs. So this one, 2 VCPUs, single core, dual core, 4 VCPUs. Okay, 2 into 2, 4 VCPUs, quad core, 8 VCPUs. Like this you can go with that. Okay, each core can have a 2 threads, that's a 2 thread 1, thread 2. Like 4 quad core processor can have 8 threads, nothing but 8 VCPUs. This is the basic functionality of a compute which every developer should have idea, because when it comes to cloud, we won't talk about a physical compute. Everything is a virtual compute. So virtual compute means virtual machines. The backend is virtual CPU, mainly Spark, because we will split and process as a partition. This is very important for Spark developers.